Welcome to my channel Maths Pursuit. Today we will look into the questions from the chapter called Quadratic Equations. Hello friends, may I request you to please click on the subscribe button below this video.
The given question is solve the following quadratic equation by factorization method, and the given equation is 4x to the power 2 minus 2 into a square plus b square into x plus a square b square is equal to 0. So this is what being given, and guys, the given question is from the chapter quadratic equation, and this came in one of the CBSE board examination in the year 2004. So keeping in view of the importance of this question, let us see how we are solving this type of equations. So here it is being given 4x to the power 2 minus 2 into a square plus b square into x plus a square into b square is equal to 0. Guys, this equation is a very easy one. We will do it easily, you could see. Now, let us compare this one with our quadratic equation identity. The quadratic equation identity is like ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. That means here a is 4 and b is 2 a square into a square plus b square, and c is a square minus b square. That means from quadratic equation perspective, it is a complete quadratic equation. Now, let us do it like this. Or we can write the given quadratic equation as, how we can write? Let us see. We can write the given quadratic equation as 4x to the power 2 minus 2x, I'm bringing x near to 2, a square plus b square plus a square into b square is equal to 0, or let us multiply 2x with a and a square plus b square, minus 2x a square minus 2x b square plus a square into b square is equal to 0. So guys, you could see that here we got 4 parts. We are able to segregate this middle part into two parts, and we are getting 4 different parts. Now let us see what is being common here in the first part that I underline. 4x square minus 2x into a square. Then that means I could see that a 2x is common here. So I can write 2x minus a square. So 2x into 2x is 4x to the power 2. That is, we have 2x into minus a square is nothing but minus 2x a square. So let us put this 2x minus a square as it is here first, so that it would be easy, is equal to 0. But here what we required? We required minus 2x b square, but here we have only 2x. That means I need to multiply minus b square to this one. If I multiply minus b square to this one, I will get 2x minus, if I multiply minus b square with 2x, I will get minus 2x b square, and minus b square into minus a square is nothing but plus b square a square. That is what I will get. So I can now write, if you could see that we got 2 parts as 2x minus b square is 1, and we can take the common, right? 2x minus a square is the common from this, is equal to 0. Or I can write, now we got two parts of x. I can say, see, 2x minus b square is equal to 0 as 1, and the other one is 2x minus a square is equal to 0, the other one. Now you will see that. Or I can write 2x is equal to b square, just moving minus b to the right side, it became positive, and the other equation is 2x is equal to a to the power 2. Or I can write x is equal to b square upon 2, and here x is equal to a square upon 2. So guys, you could see that how easily I am able to derive the two values for x. This question is really a very simple and very easy one. You could see that I am able to derive the 2 parts of x, that is, one is as b square upon 2, and the other one is a square upon 2. One is b square upon 2 and the other one is a square upon 2. So these are the 2 parts of quadratic equation that we got. Now guys, I hope you understood the process or the steps that I followed in finding these 2 quadratic equations of x, or the real roots of x, I can say. Guys, hope you understood this calculation of the process. It is very simple and very straightforward, this one. But still, if you have any questions or doubts, please reach out to me in the comment section of this video. Definitely I will get back to you once I see your comments. Guys, if you really like my videos, please subscribe.
If you really like my videos, I would request you to kindly subscribe and also let your friends know. This will motivate me to create similar videos in the future. Thank you. Bye.